Hi, this is Hansa, co-founder of Wall Photography Studio. And this is the third year that I will be attending the expo by Capturing Wow. Because there is so much to learn, so much new to share every time, and I'm really excited to meet everyone. My favorite session from the last expo was the portrait lighting session by Sachin and Neil Bose. After implementing those techniques, I could see a significant improvement in my work as well as business. Capturing Wow always brings sessions that sometimes even we photographers did not know that we need them. For example, the color harmony session by Priyadarshini Bor was phenomenal. Initially, I thought as a photographer, why do I need to know about color harmony? But after implementing her techniques in my newborn and lifestyle work, I could see that my clients are just loving it. If you have not grabbed your ticket, do grab them right now. See you in the Wedding Expo by Capturing Wow, July 2022. If you want to see my work, follow me in Instagram, Wall Photography Studio.